Recovery management allows you to quickly and easily restore your computer back to its default status. You can choose to keep your files or remove them before reinstalling Windows. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. For those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're going to show you how to reset your Acer Nitro 50 or just any PC running on Windows 10 or 11. You can either choose to reset and keep your files or reset and remove everything. So first thing we want to do is from start, go to settings. Now go to system. Click on Recovery window, click Reset PC to choose an option. You'll be given two options. If you choose Keep My Files, this will refresh your PC and reinstall your operating system, but will remove your apps and settings without removing your personal files. If you select Remove Everything, this will remove all your personal files, apps and settings and reset your PC back to its factory default. I don't have anything here on this computer. This is just to show you how to reset. So I'm going to select Remove Everything. You'll be prompted how you'd like to reinstall Windows. Here you have to choose from two options: cloud download or local reinstall. If you choose cloud download, ensure you're connected to the internet, as the files will first be downloaded from the internet before proceeding to install. If you choose local reinstall, Windows will be installed from this device. I'm going to reinstall from this device as this is a new computer. Click on next and you'll be shown everything that will be done on this device. For example, resetting will remove personal files and user accounts on this PC, remove any changes made to settings, remove any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and reinstall Windows from this device. So this will take a while and your PC will then restart. If you're sure this is what you want, click on Reset. You'll be shown the reset process on the screen. The screen will turn off during the reset process. The screen will turn back on when it is installing Windows. Understand your PC will restart several times during the reset process, so don't be worried. It's part of the process. Follow the process until it completes. When your PC has completed the reset process, Windows will have been reset back to its factory default settings without removing your personal files if you chose to keep your files, or return to factory default settings if you chose this option. And that's it. This is how you reset your computer or laptop. Very easy, no hassle, and straight to the point. For those who are only interested in how to reset, that's it for now. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the Acer Nitro 50, or let's just say how to reset your Windows PC. If you're interested in knowing more about this PC, you can click on the link or links below, or click on the end screen to access the next part of this video. I appreciate your time here. If you have any tips or programs you might want to recommend, or if you already have some experiences you might want to share, go ahead and drop them down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.